So good morning to all. How are you all?
We are fine, thank you, ma'am. We are fine, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am.
Veda? What? What you're asking, Veda?
Good morning, ma'am. How
Yes,
are
good
you, ma'am?
morning. Yes, my dear, fine. What about you all? Okay, so please be ready with your maths notebook. We are going to study the word problems. We all know how to write the word problems, steps and all, isn't it? So in this money chapter also, we have some word problems to do. Okay? So the steps and all is same, but some changes there when we are starting the steps. Okay? So please open your maths notebook. And please, all of you, please turn on your camera. Ahyan, Afia, Devananda.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have place.
Then you can continue there. Okay, so let me share the screen. And all of you, please write today's date.
Note.
Yes, in the notebook. In the notebook, we are going to write. Okay. So please open the notebook. And what is the date today? Today is 17.
17. 17/12/2021.
Okay, please write it. And I'm going to write the first question. So please write along with me, okay?
Okay,
Then you can complete it fast. So the first heading, you have to write the heading. Word problems. Word problems.
Ma'am, we are writing notebook.
Yes, yes, write in the notebook. Word problems. And write neatly. And today I want to see all these notes. After this period, before ending the period, I will check the notes. So it should be neat. All the notebooks should be neat, okay? I will check it today. So ready? So first question. Question number 1. Abdul has 52 rupees. Abdul has 52 rupees and Shyama has 15 rupees. Vishan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Okay. Abdul has 52 rupees and Shyama has 15 rupees. And in the next sentence, how much? Yes, you'd please take your maths notebook and start writing the first question. Today's topic is word problems. So please start writing. How much money? How much money?
Ma'am, I don't complete it.
You please complete now. Start writing. How much money do they have in all? Okay, please write it neatly. Abdul has 52 rupees and Shyama has 15 rupees. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
yes.
I take my eraser?
Yes, yes, okay. How much money do they have in all? So please check the question carefully. Please read the question carefully. What is given in the question?
Ma'am, I can't see the board. I can see only studio 13.
Veda.
Now I can see.
Now it's okay. Oh, okay. Please write it. And in this question, you can see that it is telling about money, isn't it? Abdul has 52 rupees and Shyama has 15 rupees. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out how much money they have in all. Yes, all together, how much money is there? So for finding the total money, what we have to do? Addition or subtraction will come here. Huh?
Addition.
Yes, addition. You can see one clue word here, all. See in the question, one clue word is there, that is all. A-L-L, all. All means total, isn't it? Total money we have to find out. So for finding total money, what we have to do? We have to add the money. Abdul's hand, how much money is there? 52 rupees. Shyama's hand, 15 rupees. So for finding the total money, we need to add these two amounts. Okay. So how can we write the steps? Here we need to start the steps with money. It is telling about money, isn't it? So here we can write the first step is money Abdul has. Okay, that is our first step. How to write? Money Abdul has.
Ma'am, I came late.
You came late. Okay, please take your notebook and write.
Ma'am, did you write the steps?
I'm going to write, my dear.
Okay, I write money. Ma'am, I cannot see you write.
I'm not writing now. Just only the question is there. Only the question. I'm going to write the steps. Okay, so first step is money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money Abdul has equal to Shivanedya, right? Properly, sit properly. What are you doing there? And write fast. Money Abdul has. How much money is there in Abdul's hand? Abdul's hand? 52 rupees. So whenever you are writing money, that symbol also should be there. So first you need to write the symbol of rupees and 52. 52 rupees.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Okay. Then can you tell what will be the next step?
Money Shama has.
Yes, money Shyama has.
Money Shama has.
So the next step is money Shyama has equal to rupees 15.
Ma'am, I finish.
Finish, okay.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, the next step.
Next step, one more step is there. What we need to find out here? Huh? We have to find out the total. Total money. Yes.
Total money.
Yes. So what the next step is total money they have. Total money. Total money they have. Equal to, we need to add these two amounts, 52 rupees plus 15 rupees. Fia Elizabeth is there. Fia Elizabeth.
Ma'am, answer is 67.
You got the answer?
Yes.
Okay. So when we are adding, we need to write rupees in one box, and if there is no paise, what we have to write there? We need to put a point there, the dot. 0, 0. So for adding, we need to write like that. Yes. So let me move it till up.
And someone should use this study.
All of you, please mute your device. Okay, now we need to arrange it. So first we can write here rupees.
Ma'am, can you share up?
One more time I'll share. Rupees 52.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you, I don't write first question.
So you leave some space. Okay, you leave some space for writing the question and write the steps now.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Wait, it will come, my dear. 52 rupees plus 15 rupees. And add this money. What is the answer you got?
67.
Yes, 2 plus 5 is 7. How to add? You all know how to add the numbers, right? 2 plus 7. How can we add this 2 plus 7? The bigger number we can take in mind. 5 in mind, 2 on the fingers. After 5, 6, 7. So we got there 7. Yes, 7. Then 5 plus 1. What is the answer? 5 plus 1?
6.
So the answer is 67. So near to the step you can write the answer rupees 67. Rupees 67.
Rupees 67. Shivanidya, finish.
Finish. Okay. Is Ashil K. Saji present? Ashil?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Can we write, add the numbers like this? But after adding, we can write the answer like 67.00.
Yes, yes.
We have to need to write the answer near that 50.
There also you can write 0.00. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
So have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We all.
Okay. Those who are completed, please be silent. Let others also complete. Then in between, let me call some names. If you are present, you please tell me. Abel Sijo. Abel Sijo. Anne Catherine. Anne Catherine. Anna Princeton.
Ma'am, someone is chatting in the between.
Okay. Then Anna Princeton. Andrea Anish. Andrea Anish. Anmia Regal. Ashif Shafiq.
Present, ma'am.
Ashif is present? Okay. Then Ashil K. Saji. Devananda KS. Devananda KS.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Then Fia Elizabeth. Fia Elizabeth is there? So today's absentees are Abel Sijo, Anne Catherine, Anna Princeton, Andrea Anish, and Mia Regal, Ashil K. Saji, Fia Elizabeth. All the other students are present. Okay, I have marked it. So have you all completed this question?
Yes,
Finished?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's not over? Who's not
Yes,
over? Who is that? Veda. Veda. Okay, Veda, please complete it first.
Ma'am, I had network issue, that's why.
Okay, so you can't see the board, Veda?
No, I can see, but sometimes I have network issue, that's why.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll be sending the notes in the group. So if you can't see now, you can copy from there. Okay, Veda?
Ma'am, finish. Okay.
Finish. Okay. So all of you, please show me a notebook.
Ma'am, I not finished yet.
Aradhya. Please show me a notebook where you wrote this question. Let me check. Sarah, please show. Sarah Rofin. Ah, yes. You please keep it like that. Let me check it. Wait. No need to tell that. I can see all the books. Let me check. Okay. Then Rose. Okay. Zara. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't like
Malavika.
question. Can you share the board?
Veda, you didn't completed.
First question.
Question I'll be sending. Answer you copied?
Yes.
Then you can copy from that from the group. I'll be sending it today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then let me check the notebooks now. Diya KP, show me a notebook. Okay, Ishan, okay, Smriti. Aradhya, please show. Where is your max notebook, Aradhya? In which book you wrote? Afia, Devananda, okay, Dakshalakshmi, Shivanedya, Krishnaraj, Suresh, Veda, Samanvaya, yes, Sia, Diya's yes, Prithvi, okay, Anton Sminto, Ashif, Ansel, Ryan, okay. And what about Aradhya? Yes, Veda, okay. Anthony, yes, okay, Anthony. Only, yes, yes. Okay. I will share it again, once again, okay? Veda, you please check whether can you see the board or not. Please mute your device, everyone. Some unnecessary sounds are coming. Veda, is it okay?
No, ma'am, I can't see board.
Okay, then you can check from the group, you can write the answer. Okay, I'll be sending the notes in the group. Okay, so shall I give you the second question? Ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The second question. Yes. So write question number 2.
Question number 2.
Second question.
I don't have space. Can I take next page?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Second question is Sam bought B-O-U-G-H-T bought Sam bought chocolates for 41 rupees. 41 rupees. Sam bought chocolates for 41 rupees. Then the next sentence, Rehan bought some chocolates Rehan bought some chocolates for 24 rupees. Right, right? Afia, right? Are you playing there? Hmm? No. Okay. Please write fast. I can see who all are writing, who all are not writing. So all of you write properly. Devananda, what happened to the video?
I can see the code.
Who is that?
Veda.
Veda. Again that problem came?
Yes.
Okay.
I
Abel
can't
Saju,
write.
are you there? Abel? Please arrange your camera properly. I couldn't see your face. Hmm? Hmm? Sam bought chocolates. Yes.
I can see only Studio 13 has started
Hmm?
screen sharing.
Oh, maybe the network issue. That's why, Veda. You're
Okay,
facing the
ma'am.
network issue. That is the problem. Okay, then I'm going to write the next sentence. The next sentence.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Now, okay. So please start writing. How much amount? How much amount did they spend in all? Anthony Shan, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Completed the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please read the question. Sam bought chocolates for 41 rupees.
Sam bought chocolates for rupees
41.
41.
Then
Rehan bought some chocolates for rupees 94.
24.
24.
Okay.
How much amount did they spend in all?
Okay. So Sam and Rehan bought some chocolates, isn't it? Sam bought for 41 rupees and Rehan bought for 24 rupees. Okay. So we need to find out how much amount they spent all together. So here what we need to do, addition or subtraction will come. Yes, we have to add this amount. Which are the numbers we have to add? 41 rupees and 24 rupees. Yes. So what is the total amount they spent for the chocolates? Yes. So can you tell me the first step? How can we write the first step? Here it is telling about the cost of the chocolates, isn't it? So chocolates cost we know. What is the cost of the chocolate? Sam bought the chocolates for rupees 41. So here we can start our step with cost of. Okay. Cost of chocolates. Cost of chocolates Sam bought. Okay. That is our first step. Okay. All of you please start writing. Those who finish the question, you can start writing the steps. The first step is cost of chocolates Sam bought. So I'm going to write the first step.
Ma'am, I can't see your writing.
Okay. I'll write now. Wait a minute. Yes. Cost.
Ma'am, cost spelling is
C-O-S-T. Cost of chocolate. Sam bought. Rupees 41.
Ma'am, can you share this, please? Please said
The first step, cost of chocolates Sam bought.
ma'am. Ma'am, Afrin completed.
So Afrin,
now I can see.
Okay, so Afrin, please tell me the second step. What we can write the second step? Afrin? First step we already wrote, cost of chocolates Sam bought. So that same way we can write the second step also. How can we write?
Ma'am, which step?
Second step.
Okay.
So like this itself we can start. Cost of chocolates.
Chocolate.
Who is the next person? Rayhan. Bought.
Bought.
Yes. So that is our second step.
Rupees 24.
Cost of chocolate. Cost of chocolates Rayhan bought.
Rupees 24.
Rupees 24. And the last step, the amount they spent in all, or the money they spent in all. We can write like that. Amount they spent in all. And we need to add these two amount, rupees 41 and rupees 24. And all of you please do it, find out the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next class. One more class is there for you. So we will discuss this answer in the next class. Okay. Now it's the time to wind up our session.
Not completed.
Not completed. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the third steps? The first, please.
Wait. Let me move it. Okay.
Ma'am, Afrin now completed.
Okay, please write fast. Our time is over. 9:51 now.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, those who did not complete, please try to write the steps and I will show you it again in the next class. Okay. So, thank you so much. Please find out the answer and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.